Hello, hello, hello! It is time for another cash stuffing. Let's stuff it. Yeah. Okay, I don't know. What's up? It's that time again. It's payday, and so it's time to stuff my wallet with some cash. Let's just start by getting the change out. Half the time I forget the change, and this time I didn't, so I'd call that a win. All right, let's see. My spending, I don't know. I think I did okay. Not the best, not the worst. So we're gonna see. Looks like I have a decent amount of change in here. Okay. So this jug is not even halfway full. It is not nearly halfway full. It is maybe just about a quarter of the way full. So we'll see if it even can get to halfway by the end of the year. I'm definitely going to cash it in by the end of the year. It's pretty heavy. So if this thing was full, man, that would be extremely heavy. All right. What else? So this is the last paycheck of October for me. Today is what, Thursday, I think? Thursday, October 19th. Wowza. And last night, you guys, I ran to Walmart. We have a couple trunk or treats we're going to this weekend, and I wanted to get some orange face paint, like makeup, for my son because he is being a pumpkin, and then for my daughter, she's going to be a scarecrow, so I want to do her nose orange and then try to do like little stitching lines on her face. I don't know if that's going to work out. She's probably going to smudge it in like 2 seconds, but we will see. But anyway, I went to Walmart and all the Christmas stuff is out. And I freaking love it. I love Christmas. It's my favorite time of year, and it just literally made me so happy just to go in the Christmas aisle and just look. And I didn't buy anything, but like, I don't know, it just made my heart so happy. There were a couple like wreaths that I thought were really nice. I didn't buy anything though, so anyway, that's a side note. Oh, by the way, I got this from Temu. It says be afraid and do it anyway. I love it. It's like well, I guess you could use it for anything, but it's like, I think, to hang in your car, but I'm gonna put it here. So yeah. Okay, let's see what we have left over. All right, so in fun, we have 20, 40, 5, 46, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 53. My son and daughter are both sick at the moment, unfortunately. So my son literally had double ear infections 2 weeks ago. I may have talked about it in my last cash stuffing because that would have been around that time. And he has double ear infections again. So we may need to see an ENT about tubes. Ugh, I don't know. $5 in kids. So we've been having, you know, lots of doctor's visits lately. I just took him yesterday and the day before. And my daughter got sick from him. Her nose is runny. I hope she doesn't get an ear infection. You know, we just have to kind of wait and see. So dining, 20, 45, 46, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 55 left in dining. Now I will also say, if you're new, for me, the amounts that I have left over here are kind of like loose because sometimes I'll take from a different envelope than what I'm supposed to. Usually I try to stay within the envelope, but for example, if dining is empty and I want to get food, I'll just take it out of fun money or miscellaneous. So, you know, this is not necessarily a completely accurate picture of how much I'm spending in these categories. Miscellaneous still has the full 40. So, you know, just a little disclaimer on that. All right, so We have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 35, 135, 36, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 153. I'll take that. Not too bad. So this I put aside and wow, words. This will be set aside to put towards savings challenges. So that's where that's gonna go. Also, if you like this wallet, it is linked below. It is the Budget Mom. It's from Amazon. I did link it below in the description box. I tried to make an Amazon storefront so that it was easier for you guys to just click on the storefront and then see everything there instead of having the individual links. But apparently I don't qualify, and I'm not sure why. I guess maybe I don't have enough subscribers or what. But just so you know, in the future, I'm trying to do a storefront, but I have to wait. So anyway, all right, so let's see. This is the money from the ATM, and I believe it's 360, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60. Yeah, 360. So fun gets 140, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, and 40. And I have a little more this time because I'm actually doing a decent amount into sinking funds for once. So yeah, that's good. All right, kids gets $20. Hopefully we won't need to use this on doctor's visits, but we'll just see. Dining gets 80, 20, 40, 60, and 80. We have 3 trunk or treats on Saturday. A, it's supposed to rain, so I hope the rain holds out, and B, like I said, the kids are sick, so I hope they start feeling better. But one has like a little marketplace, so I may spend some money there, I don't know. Gas stays in the bank. I could take this envelope out, but I just don't. And miscellaneous gets 40. Maybe I should take it out, I don't know. All right, so that's the wallet stuffing, that's it. Short and sweet. I am trying to think of like some way to spice up stuffing my sinking funds, you guys. I was thinking last night, and I just feel like I come on here and I put money into them, and that's great, but like, I don't know, I want to make it a little bit more fun. So my answer for fun is always like savings challenges, but I have specific amounts that I put into them, and they're usually in increments of 5 and 10. So I don't know, I may try to look for some savings challenges in increments of 5 and 10 that I could use like in the sinking funds. That way it's just like a little bit of extra tracking, a little bit more fun, but I don't know. So if you guys have any ideas on how I can make stuffing my sinking funds more fun, let me know below. I don't want to do a randomizer because I do think that's fun, but again, I want to have complete control over how much I stuff, so that won't work for me. So I don't know, let me know if you have ideas. So emergency is gonna get 10. If I can find the folder, here we go. All right, so I'm not counting the prop money, but all together between prop and cash, I'm putting a total of 205 in my sinking funds, which is really good because I feel like I haven't been putting much at all in my sinking funds. So emergency is getting 10. So we now have 1,000, 1, 2, 3, 50, 65. So 1,365. And this is a challenge of mine. It is available in my Etsy shop as a digital download, and I'm gonna color in a 10. Let me grab my new markers. I created this challenge specifically in increments of 5 and 10 because, just like I was just saying, I like to stuff 5s and 10s. So yeah, that's why I created this one, and it is $1,000 once I'm done. And these markers are from Temu. They may probably be cut off on the screen. Here we go. And the case is also from Temu. They did come in a different case, but it was like soft and, you know, wouldn't stay up so well. So anyway, just in case you're wondering. All right. All right, so I colored in a 10 and I am on my way there with that tracker. Can't wait to have all the 10s done and then I could start coloring that in a little bit faster. But I do need to start stuffing my emergency fund a little bit more aggressively because I've honestly been kind of neglecting it and I shouldn't do that. So, all right, debt is gonna get 25 and I'm excited to be putting something in debt. Once again, I haven't stuffed that in a little bit. So it's nice to have a little something going in here. I haven't stuffed it since August 24th actually. So that's a bit. Today is 10/19. So we're gonna put 20 and 5 in debt, and that's all we have right now. I don't have this prop money in order, I just have it in a pile, which is fine. All right, medical is gonna get 10. This is also empty. I have another bill to pay and I have no money in here. It's like $16 only, so it's no biggie. And then, you know, we've had some doctor visits. Those just came out of my regular like fun money. Had to get some medication. So we've had some medical stuff. It's not a lot of money, but you know, I still have no money in here and need to get it up. So $10 going in and that's all we have. I do have a savings challenge I am also doing for medical. So hopefully we can get that done soon. All right, Penelope is in the other binder, so is Prime, no, Prime's right here. So Prime is gonna get its usual $20 a month. We're doing great on this one. 20 bucks going in. We have 100, 20, 40, 60. 160 in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and color another one of these 20s, so BRB. Okay, 60 bucks to go to meet this, and then I'm good with Amazon Prime, Amazon Kids. I have my everything saved up for Amazon Music and for my Supernatural subscription, so we are doing fantastico. All right, so that is Prime, and then Vacay is getting 60. This is another one I really need to start getting more aggressive on because, let's see, we're going, I think that the end of June, but the money for the cruise is due, I don't know, maybe March or April, probably March. So yeah, I need to get going. And plus, if on Black Friday, things tend to go on sale sometimes for the cruise, like the beverage packages, things like that. So if I want to buy those, I obviously need money to pay for those, right? So yeah. All right, so we're gonna do 60. Again, this is also one I have a savings challenge going for, but right now it's a super low one, so yeah, it's not gonna be much. All right, so that's the last 60 in prop. So let's add this in here and see what we have. So we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 65, 6, 7, 8, 9, 169. That's honestly a little bit more than I thought, so that's good. 169 in there. Okay, that's Vacay. Beauty is getting 30. Oh, you know what? Okay, so I have 60, 80. 80 in cash. I need some change, so hopefully I have some change here in Beauty. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if I take 10 out and put in 20, that should be putting in 10, right? Let's see. Oh, wait, I'm putting in 30. So let me add another 20. So 30 going into beauty. Sorry if that was confusing. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. So 84 in there. I did schedule my bougie rain shower body treatment for the weekend before Christmas as a Christmas gift to myself. It is going to cost a boatload, but I'm doing it anyway. All right. And last but not least is going to be Penelope in the other binder. Oh, by the way, I didn't even mention, I have a new background, obviously. I'm sure you saw by now. I don't know if I like the black. I don't know. I got this from Temu, of course. It's like, is the black so dark that it's going to make other things hard to see? I don't know. Or is it such that it's making everything easier to see because it's dark? Let me know. Let me know what you think of the new background. All right, so Penelope is getting 50. So 20, 40, 45, 46, 7, 8, 9, 50. And I'm doing 50 because, as I have said before, she does have her annual vet visit in December. So I need to start, you know, stacking this money up. She was supposed to have a grooming appointment today. Actually, I'd probably be taking her just about now, but they texted me and unfortunately they got flooded a couple weeks ago. We had a lot of rain, so they're waiting on insurance and things like that. So they don't know when they're going to be back open, but I hope that they do open up again. Like, I hope it's not a thing where it, you know, devastates them and they have to close, because I love them. And she's been going there for years now. It's a, you know, small business, like a local business. So I don't know. Otherwise I'd have to find another groomer. All right. So in Penelope, we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 55, 155, 56, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 164. So we are starting to build this up a little bit, and because she's not getting groomed today, I don't have to take 50 to 60 bucks out of there. So, all right, my friends, that is it. Thank you so much for joining me. Yeah, I feel like I always wish I had some nice, beautiful, pretty way to wrap everything up and end the video, but I never do. So I always end up saying, Anyway, thank you for being here, subscribing, for watching my ads, all the good stuff. I love you all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.